Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be junk journaling with all the stuff I've collected in a week, so let's get started. I'm starting with the first week of January, so before I do my junk spread, I'm going to do a little monthly intro page first. I didn't do this in my last journal, but there's these calendars in this book which are really fun and colorful, so I just want to start using them. How I typically like to junk journal is I do it week by week, and then I like to end each month with a recap with the media I consumed, how many books I read, and things like that. So I think it's only fitting that I also do a monthly intro page too. It'll be a nice, easy spread to do to start out the month, and I like the idea of writing out any plans I have. I actually regret ripping this page in half, but it's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm trying not to care as much and learn to just let go and go with the flow. When I started journaling, the main thing that drew me to it is the messiness of it all, and I normally really struggle with not feeling like I'm a creative person or that comes natural to me. But that's why I love journaling so much. It takes some of the pressure off and feels like it's more about the memories, and no matter how you lay things down, it usually looks pretty good in the end. I think I'm just gonna keep it simple and just make them fit on my page, add some washi tape, and then fill in some plans I have for the month. I chose 2 different shades of pink washi tape that I thought would look nice as a kind of border. I added some stickers to this page, but next time I don't think I will. I just don't think it needs it, and if any, I might want to add some on the days that I have plans for it to represent what I'm doing. But it's good for now, because I don't want to spend too much time on it, and we will do better for February. And here's everything I collected. Now, I'm extremely behind in journaling, so this is all from the first week of January so far, and I'm doing this spread in February now, so I have a lot to do this month. I literally just have different piles of junk around the house, but thanks to my sweet angel girlfriend, she just organized it all for me into file folders, so I know which week all the junk is for, so bless her for doing that. This is a pastry bag from one of my favorite cafes here. It's called Hey Happy, and I always get their espresso tonic, which I'm actually obsessed with. And I'm so confused how it's not a thing in more cafes. I think I've literally only seen them in a few in my life, which I personally think is just wild because I think they're so good. I'm choosing to keep my color theme yellow and green to match this coaster that I have from a pub that me, my girlfriend, and our friends went to. And it's pretty much the only thing that has color, so I'll have to find some stickers to make the page a little more exciting. And then me and my girlfriend went for sushi, and this is the menu from it. I think I'm going to use it as the background since it's so big and I have a lot of space to try to cover. I don't have a ton of stuff this week, and it was hard to figure out how to place everything to fill out the space, but it's best not to linger too long and just start putting things down and it'll eventually come together. I usually spend a lot of time just moving things around, but eventually something will just click and that's when it'll start flowing. These are fortunes from when my friends came to visit for New Year's, and we love when they come. And on New Year's Day we ordered Chinese food, which is a New Year's Day tradition for our friend and now also for us. using my favorite washi tape again. I have about 1 million different washi's with all different patterns and colors, but I always reach for this one for some reason. There's just something about it. After gluing everything down, I have this giant awkward space, so I'm going into the Derian sticker book to find something. There's some huge ones in here, so I'm just looking for something that matches my color theme, and this will fill out the space, and it's the right color, so it's literally perfect. I have to relocate some things, but it ends up filling out nicely, so I'm pretty happy with how it looks. And this is a tag from a bathrobe I got for Christmas, and I put it in this week's spread because I wore it for the first time on New Year's Day when me, my girlfriend, and our friends went for a cold dip. We went to our favorite swimming dock in the city, and the water was absolutely freezing. I still can't believe I was able to do it. I'm going to try and find a couple more stickers to add for the finishing touches. This book is completely falling apart, and I have no idea what to do about it because I really don't feel like relocating all the stickers, so for now it's a complete mess. This dragonfly matches perfectly, so I obviously had to use it. And now I think I want a more yellow sticker, so I'm just flipping through until I find something. I tend to get lost in sticker land when I attempt to find the perfect ones for the spreads that I do, but now I try to just stick to a color and use the first one that catches my eye. And this is from a candle that we actually brought to a Secret Santa exchange, and it ended up back with us, which is so funny because I did actually want it, so we opened it and used it this week. And then I like to end all my junk journal spreads with the start and end date of the week. I know it seems a little extreme to do that, but it's mainly so I can use this cute little stamper, and who knows, maybe when I look back on this journal years from now, it'll be nice to know all the dates for things. And I knew I was missing one. This guy was hiding, so I'm just gonna add him in. And I wanted to add some kind of drink sticker for when we went to Hey Happy, and I found this one right away, which is perfect. And here's the finished journal spread. I think I'm happy with it. It didn't take me too long, and I'm really into this giant sticker that I used. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my journaling process, and I hope to see you for next week's spread. See you next time.